Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Launch Lead Academy. The FEB MAT dates are announced now, and in this video we are going to see the 50 days preparation strategy for FEB MAT 2024. I hope you all guys have started preparing for your MAT examination as well as other MBA examinations. If your aim is to join MBA in 2024 in top institutions, so MAT exam is the one of the way. Almost 600 plus B schools across India accepts MAT examination, and this MAT examination is conducted 4 times a year. And for the June-July intake, June-July 2024 intake, this FEB MAT examination and May MAT examination scores are very important, and the colleges have started their admissions for the next academic year. This is the right time to apply for the colleges which you are looking for. And now in this video we are going to see how to crack the FEB MAT 2024 examination with good score. As we have told you all earlier in our videos, most of the top colleges nowadays accepts only 600 plus MAT score candidates. So try to get at least 550 and more than 600 to get into your dream college in the year 2024 to pursue your MBA graduation. And now, MAT exam is nothing but it is conducted by All India Management Association (IMA). It is conducted in both computer-based and paper-based formats. The test consists of 5 sections: language comprehension, mathematical skills, data analysis and sufficiency, intelligence and critical reasoning, Indian and global environment. The exam duration is about 150 minutes, and from each section you can expect 40 questions. In total, you need to attend 200 questions in 150 minutes. The exam, as I told you earlier, the exam is held 4 times a year: Feb, May, September and December. And for your academic year 2024 intake, you should aim for FEB MAT as well as May MAT. And the candidates can apply online on the official IMA MAT website or offline by obtaining the application form from IMA or designated centers. And this is the exam pattern of your FEB MAT 2024 exam: language comprehension, mathematical skills, data analysis and sufficiency, intelligence and critical reasoning, Indian and global environment. These are the 5 sections from which you are going to get questions. So from each and every section you will get 40 questions, and in total you need to attend 200 questions in 150 minutes. And what are the documents you should be ready with to apply for your FEB MAT examinations? Scanned image of photograph, scanned image of signature, and credit card or debit card or net banking details. The size of scanned image of photograph should be 10 to 50 KB and signature should be 5 to 20 KB. And dream MBA. Is your dream MBA in the upcoming year 2024? Yes. Now check with the exam dates. See, as I told you earlier, the exam is conducted in 3 modes: paper-based test, computer-based test, internet-based test. Paper-based test we call it as PBT, computer-based test we call it as CBT, and internet-based test IBT. And now, first exam is on 25th February and it is completely of PBT mode, and the registration for the PBT exam ends on 20th February. You can download your admit card from 22nd February. See, PBT and CBT, IMA will allot exam center for you, and you need to take the exams at the particular center if you apply through PBT, paper-based mode, and computer-based mode. If you apply through IBT, you should have a good internet connection, and good laptop with webcam facilities to take the test. And now CBT, computer based test. The exam is on 10th March. The registration ends on 5th March. You can download your admit card from 8th March. IBT, the first IBT is to be held on 24th March. The registration ends on 21st Feb. 24th Feb is your exam date. 21st Feb is the last day to apply, and you can download your admit card from 22nd Feb. The second IBT is on 3rd March. Registration ends on 29th Feb. You can download your admit card from 1st March. Then third IBT is on 8th March. The registration ends on 5th March. You can download your admit card from 6th March. So keep it in mind that those who are applying for IBT examination, so kindly opt for the first IBT or second IBT. Don't opt for the third IBT. Okay, because if you don't have any network connection or if you face any issues, definitely you cannot be able to continue with the test. So our good suggestion is, if you are going to take IBT exam, internet based test exam from home, so take the first exam or second exam. Online crash course are available for Feb as well as May 2024 examination. The candidates can enroll for this course. If you want to enroll, you can contact 8870046080, or also you can visit learntolead.in. Now, what are the topics under which you are going to get the question for the upcoming FEB MAT 2024? The first, numerical ability, data analysis and interpretation, reasoning ability, verbal ability, grammar. So under these section you are going to get questions, and you guys have to prepare on these topics. Now, if you take numerical ability, so the first thing in case of numerical ability is you should be thorough with the basic mathematical calculations. Even though the calculator is allowed in the examination hall, you cannot rely on calculator always, and it will consume your time. So the candidates are requested to prepare well with their mind calculation before taking your MAT examination. So these are the topics under which you will get the questions: number system, average, allegations, ratio and proportion, percentage, partnership, simple interest and compound interest, time and work, time, speed and distance, permutation and combination, probability, geometry, mensuration, coordinate geometry, trigonometry. So try to focus on all the concepts, since 80 questions will be asked from the numerical ability part. And intelligence and critical reasoning, these are the topics you need to focus: puzzle, assertion and reason, statement, course of action, statement and argument, blood relation conversation, handshake problem, coding and decoding, arrangements, directions, cubes and cuboids, arrangement based questions based on building. So for numerical ability, you should get through with the basic concepts like divisibility rules, percentage to fraction, fraction to percentage, fraction to decimal concepts. And to improve your mathematical skills, start doing mind calculation. Then, in case of verbal ability, these are the topics under which you can get the question: reading comprehension, synonym and antonym, choose the word or phrase, meaning nearest to the underlined part, because based on these patterns, you will expect the questions. Fill in the blanks, one word substitution, choose the option that best, express the meaning of the underlined idiom or phrase in the sentence, summary, order the sentence into the logical paragraph. And in case of verbal ability, you need to cover these concepts: parts of speech, articles, prepositions, tenses, conjunctions, active voice and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, error spotting rules. So on these 8 topics, you need to concentrate well to get a good score in the verbal ability part. See, the toughest part in your examination is, if you see the question paper pattern, under mathematical skills, data analysis and sufficiency, there are 80 questions. You need to answer those 80 questions in just 1 hour. So, first thing, you need to develop your calculations. Before starting with your numerical ability, start doing mind calculation, practicing with fast addition, fast subtraction, simple multiplication, divisibility rules, percentage to fraction conversion, square values, and finding out the square roots. So these are the basic concepts you need to thorough with. Okay, I hope you all got some idea regarding the topics and what are the things which you need to focus for the next 50 days. Now, so let us give you some of the best MBA colleges in Tamil Nadu. Anna University Chennai. For that, you need to take the Transat examination. SSN Chennai, SRM Chennai, PSG Coimbatore, Kumaraguru Coimbatore, Krishna Coimbatore, Amrita Coimbatore, TSM Madurai. See, except Anna University Chennai, all the other colleges will also accept Transat as well as MAT examination. If you want to apply to these colleges under management quota, you need to take MAT examination. So keep it in mind that MAT exam is conducted by AIMA and it is accepted by 600 plus B schools across the country. And we are very happy to share our previous year results who showed their excellence in the MAT 2023 examination and they are pursuing their MBA program in top colleges. If you are looking for MAT as well as FEB MAT online crash course, you can enroll now immediately. The batch for 50 days online crash course FEB MAT examination is open now. The registration is open now. To register, you can contact 88700 46080. Hope this video was useful and you came to know about some of the basic important things for FEB MAT 2024. All the best, students. The registration link for 50 days online crash course is provided in the description box, or you can also contact 88700 46080. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.